Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're going to be dropping in on the crypto mining game. We're going to be doing a super quick update and I'm going to be showing you how you can boost your account with those coins that you don't actually withdraw. We're also going to be taking a look at the VMP and how we prevailed in the crypto mining war. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so like I say, this is going to be a super quick update. We are in my crypto mining account, but before we proceed, let's quickly do the numbers. It's been a week, and a week ago we had 1,654 HP. You can now see we have 1,691. We had 12 million CGT. You can see now we have 16 million CGT. So in 1 week, you know, by pushing up that HP and stuff like that that I talk about in my previous video, that has made quite a good boost to our CGT. Also as well, our Litecoin was at 366,423. We are still currently mining and we have 439,854. So again, a nice little boost to that over the past week. Okay, so the first thing we're going to get into is how you can use coins that you don't necessarily withdraw to boost your account. Now, as you guys know, the only coin I actually withdraw is Litecoin, basically for two reasons. One, it's at a pretty good price. Also as well, when it comes to mining and building up to that minimum withdrawal, it is probably the fastest coin in all of the 6 coins that are available. But as you know, that when you play the game, you inadvertently build up these other coins, but a lot of times the minimums just take too long to reach and things like that, or the minimums are too high, so they basically just end up sitting there doing nothing. But CMG have given us a way to use these and boost our account at the same time. Now you will notice that I am now an elite member level 2. My anti-bot now takes 1 hour and 27 minutes before I have to do it again. So you're not having that constant, you know, every half an hour or whatever it is, having to do that. So that's like, you know, obviously saves you a bit of time and not so annoying. Anyway, how is this possible? Basically, if we go into profile, then we go down to elite, you will see here in the elite member page, if we scroll down, that now you can become an elite member using your coins. So rather than having to go and sign up to Patreon and pay $2 or $5 or $10, whatever level you want to be at, you can now get to those different levels purely by using those coins that you are not withdrawing, but your account still builds. Now I basically went into the first level. This is elite level 2, and to be at elite level 2 Ethereum, you only need 216,612 Ethereum. That is all you need to become a level 2 elite member. And what do you get with a level 2 elite membership is this. So basically, here it says, congratulations, you are a new elite member, level 2 crypto mining game. You have received 100 crystals, 200 crypto coins, 2 mining boosts, 200 energies and 2 extra crates. So obviously it does still class you as a patron because you're a patron to the site, but you're not actually going through the patron website. And obviously it gives you an option to use these coins that, like I say, that your account builds up, but you don't end up withdrawing, and they just end up sitting there and building up and building up. And you also, as well, this is not something that just lasts for a week. This will last for an entire month. So what I've just shown you with the mining boost, the extra crystals, the extra power, the extra crates and everything, you will get that every single week for 1 month. So here you can see that my membership will run out on the 4th of February 2021, and every week I will get that basically bundle of prizes, as you could say, or extra things for your account, just by signing up to this. And like I say, if you're not withdrawing them coins anyway, you might as well do this, because it will just help boost your account. And like it says here, as soon as you select what, you know, basically, and then click purchase, you will get your first week's rewards straight away, straight into your account. And you're off running. You'll have all that extra energy. You can go and do your missions, all that kind of stuff, your crystals, your coins, everything straight into your account as soon as you hit that purchase button. So I haven't opened my extra crates yet. So if we go into my crates, they're actually 2 gold crates that you will receive. So let's check out what we get in them. Okay, so you get 12 items. We flick through all this. So you're getting 40 crystals, you're getting 97 coins, 5 energy you get in that particular one. Then you've got, you know, 12, what's that, thunder, you get miner, all your extra cards which help boost your, obviously boost your card packs for when you participate in the mining war. You're getting 6 skill points. At one point, you used to get skill points in every single crate. It was really easy to build up skill points. Now it's so much more difficult. So getting 6 straight in a lump sum is a big help. Let's check out the other one. So again, we'll flick through it. And then look at that. So we got 2 mining So we got 2 mining boosts, but we actually also, we got 2 mining boosts anyway. So that's actually we got 4 mining boosts just straight from those bundles. And then you got 42 crystals, 83, you got another 5 energy there, you got a load of cards, more crystals, and a gift voucher or gift tickets. So, you know, obviously if we now go back into the mining room, you can see now that I've got 4 mining boosts. So the first 2 were from the initial bundle, and then we got another 2 in that second gold crate, which is absolutely brilliant. And we can activate them right now. So we put up to 4, click go, and then we're off mine again. So that's just going to mine now for 16 hours. Now, obviously, these coins that we are not using, as you know, they do build up slowly throughout the game. Just from doing missions and stuff like that, getting them in crates, all that kind of stuff. But what you can do if you want it, obviously you need to pick a coin that you want to build up. If you look in the list that I just showed you in the elite, to buy the elite package, the one that is required the least amount of coins is Ethereum. Now, obviously, once your CGT builds up, if you've got 2.5 CGT, you can pay using your CGT. But the other coins are actually quite high in what you need. Also, as well, I actually use my BTC for buying things on the market, so I don't want to use that. But Ethereum just essentially sits there. But like I say, when you look in the list, it seems to be the lowest, the coin that requires the lowest amount to purchase the elite package. So when you're doing jobs now, obviously when you do your jobs, you know, we trying to build up our jobs for our quests. So in quests, I think you need to do 20 jobs, and that gives you what is it, 3 a pack of a deck of cards, or a card bundle, a bronze crate and a silver crate. And you only need to, but remember, you only actually need to use 1 minute per, or 1 energy for every time. So it's only 20 energy that you require to do that, and then you've got all this other energy left over. And if you use that energy up, it does automatically build back up, or what, you know, sometime after an hour or so after, it will be back up to full capacity or max amount that you can have. So what I'm doing now is, once I've done my quests, my job quests, with the energy that I have left over, I will then just come in here, pick Ethereum, and then I'm going to do this for 120. So that's 2 hours. So start that. So that's going to, and also as well, that still allows you to, you can still do work for another 6 hours and 39 minutes if you want to run it again once your energy has built up again. So that will mine for 2 hours. I'll get a nice big chunk of Ethereum from that. We can then go and refill our energy. So we're going to get another 10 energy from that. And then obviously with that 80, if you want, you can then go and do some world missions. Maybe you can go and attack 3 or 4 different players. That is all, you know, that is all going to help your account. Okay, so that's basically what I'm going to show you there with the elite package. I do think it's a really good use of these coins that basically are not doing anything. Obviously, if there was the capacity to exchange coins, then I would say do that. You know, any of your loose coins, maybe exchange them into the coin that you want to withdraw. But unfortunately, that option is not available to us. So, but it seems stupid just to leave these coins sitting there doing nothing. So for me, I think that is now a great use of those loose coins, or those unused coins. I will say though, if you are currently involved with the competition to earn yourself 50,000 sats, which I believe there is still 3 prizes going begging. How have you guys not won these last 3 prizes? I have no idea. But remember, one of the rules in that competition is you are not allowed to purchase any kind of bundles, any upgrades, anything that can help you get to that level 15 quicker. So until you've got past that level 15 and claimed your prize, do not do this. Okay, you know, and if you want to know more about that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to a playlist. Go and check that out, especially if you're not familiar with what the program is. It's got loads of videos in there, loads of hints and tips. Check out the very first one that will tell you the bare minimum you need to be doing to earn from this program. And also as well, check out the one that says get paid to play, which is about the 50,000 sats competition. And that will also contain the rules that you need to abide by to claim those 50,000 sats if you want to get involved in that. Okay, so let's quickly go and check out the VMP and how we got on in the most recent season that has just finished. Okay, so if we go to the crypto mining war, and so the new season has started. You can see we've got 30 days, 4 hours, 2 minutes and 41 seconds. If we scroll down here, you can see I'm currently at 164 with 366 victory points. We are currently in the new season. We are currently at level 15 already, with 2,696. But in the last season, if we scroll down, you can see here we finished 15th with 21 members participating. We got 74,923, and we earned, basically we earned 477 crystals, 953 crypto coins, and 48 cards. We earned that all. Each And I just want to say a massive thank you to those of you that have participated and are participating in the VMP. And it was really good to see that after my last video that I said that anyone below 500 victory points would be removed. It was really good to see a lot of you sort of kicked yourself into gear and got yourself above that 500 threshold. I want to say a big congratulations to Viz. He was really worried that he wasn't going to make it. He was very low down on the list and he'd been struggling. He'd had a lot of people attacking him, but by the end of it he'd actually earned over 1,000 victory points. So I want to say a big congratulations to him for making sure that he stayed in the VMP, because obviously I don't want to lose any of you, but because of the way it works, we got to make sure that everybody involved is essentially pulling their own weight. Now, one last thing. Do remember, now we've started this new season, that from now on, everybody has to be above 1,000 victory points to stay in the VMP. If you are below 1,000 victory points, you will be removed. Like, there was 3 members that unfortunately I had to remove that did not make that 500 threshold. And obviously I did say that the only reason it was a 500 threshold because there was only 1 week left of that season. But now we've got a full season. Everybody has to be above 1,000 victory points to stay in the VMP. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there, and if you are interested in those earlier videos, they're probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching, and if you could smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot, bye.